QRS Styles is back with a tutorial on putting a wig on with no glue. So I set the wig on the canvas and I'm going through the front hairline, making it natural, plucking it out, making sure that the hairline is looking natural and that the hair is not too thick. So I'm just plucking. I'm using hair from QRS Styles, 26 inch and 28 inch with the HD frontal. And the frontals that we sell on QRS.com already come with baby hairs. So you just have to adjust them and pluck it out to how you would like it and how you would want it for your natural and how you want your hairstyle and hairline to be looking. Once you take your time plucking to your satisfaction, then I go on to styling, which I will be flat ironing the hair because it is silky straight hair, the 26 and 28 inch off of QRSstyles.com. And I'm using the Brazilian Blowout Thermal Straightener Balm. I just squeeze just a dime in my hand and I rub it together and I just rub it through the hair. I'm using my flat iron comb that is made to work with the flat iron so it doesn't melt, and it is helping me collect the hair as I go and get every strand with that flat iron. Don't mind me. So I will be taking the wig, no cap, and putting it on my head with no glue, no sewing, nothing at all, just throwing the wig on. So I'm adjusting the wig, making sure that it's on my head nice and snug, nice and right, nice and tight, not too tight, not too loose, but that is on there so that I do not have to use any glue. I do not have to sew it on or anything. I can just take it off, put it back on. I have no cap under here. This is a HD lace, ladies. HD silky straight lace, 13 times 4. We have them in 12 inches all the way to 18 inches on QRSstyles.com. So go ahead and get your HD frontal, ladies. See how natural it looks. And like I said, no cap. So I will be taking clips and holding the hair in place in the back as I take the front hairline and I customize it on how I want it to look, how I want it to fit my face, how it fits my frame. So I'm just pulling out the baby hairs that I want. And I'm taking the clips and I'm holding the hair back so that the other hair doesn't get caught into what I'm trying to use as the baby hairs. And sometimes you have to go back and make sure the baby hairs are how you want them. So right here, I'm just taking my razor and I pulled out a little bit of more baby hair. So I just want to make sure that it's blended with the rest. I want to cut it so it's not too long. And I want to just shape it down so it looks like your natural hairline and your natural edges and not too much. So by not using any glue or any sewing, I will be laying my edges down with Ebin Edge Control. EBIN, Ebin Edge Control. I will be laying the edges down flat, all the way flat with the edge control till I get it how I feel I want it to be, flat enough for me so that I can brush it down. Once I have the edge control in there and how I want it, I'm able to mold and move the hair freely how I want the hair to lay and flow. It's another way that I do this too, where I put the edge control and lay the edges down, and then I put foam on top to give it an extra hold. I put on a scarf around it, and then I just blow dry it for a little while and let it cool down. I'm using the Hair Brilliance Sublime, and it gives your hair a finishing shine, because once you use edge control, especially Eben, I do not want to have any white flakes or any white crust around, so it keeps the hair shining and looking nourished. And here it goes, a fresh look with no glue, no sewing, just edge control and no cap. Look how natural it is, you guys. 26 inch, 28 inches of the bundles from QRSstyles.com, and a HD frontal, lace frontal from QRSstyles.com. Go ahead and click the link and subscribe to my YouTube page, and also follow QRS Styles on Facebook and Instagram. This is the finished look. Like I said, no glue, no cap, and no sewing. Thank you for watching. DIY on a quick install with a wig.